today we are going to learn how to protect our formulas in Excel. So I'm taking classrooms example. Let's say you have given class tests, homework, class tests, and you have given the marks 10, 10, 10, 20. And you want to find all of them, their 60 marks, so that you can convert it to what? 50. So this one, I can use formula to find the 60% of these marks. So let me use the formula sum equal to sum. Then I am adding C6 to what? F6. And I'll close. So this formula gives me the 60% out of all these marks. And it has been scaled to what? 50 for me. Now look at the exam marks. Let's say you want to find 50% of all these exam marks. 50%, I want to use a formula which is equals to round. If you want more of this, you watch the video, my upcoming video, or subscribe for more of this. Alright, so I'm inputting the formulas that can find or that can scale the 60 to what? 50% for me, and I've done that. So this is what I've done. So that means all these cells has formulas at the top, but all the cells has formulas. How can I protect this so that someone cannot tamper with all these formulas? So at your left corner, you see a triangle, a triangular shape. You click on it. Then you right click any empty space. You right click any empty space. Then you select format cells. Alright, so go to protection. Then you don't want to use this method, so you uncheck it. You go to OK. Then you go to home. At your right side, you see find and select. Click on it. Then you go to special. And you locate formulas. And you click on OK. Alright. So it has highlighted all the cell that is having formulas. You now right click on any of the formula cells and go to format cells. And you click on what? Lock. Go to OK. After clicking lock, click on OK. Okay, you are not done. Now you are able to lock the cells with formulas. So we need to protect it with what? Numbers. So that we can be able to what? Unlock it. So you go to review tab. Review tab. You click on it and you see protect sheet. So you click on it. Then you now put in any 4-digit numbers that you want to use to lock the cells. So I'll use 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'll re-enter again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I am done. So I am done. So what we are going to do now is to try and see whether any of these cells that has formulas can open. So I'll go to this and I'll click on it. You see, the cell or chart you are trying to change is on a protected sheet. So that means it has been locked. All the cells with formulas has been locked. Thank you very much for watching. Subscribe for more of such videos. Bye bye.